Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I am going to be showing you my travel journal kit for my Korea Japan 2025 grad trip, which I'm so excited for. I am actually leaving tomorrow, and to be honest, I was waiting on an order from Papershire to arrive to me because there were some stickers in that order that I wanted to use in my journal, but unfortunately it has not come, and that is totally on me. I placed the order way too late. It's okay, I will still have a use for those stickers later, but they are not here for this video. Anyway, the point is, I am doing a travel journal for my trip and I'm so excited. If you haven't seen any of my travel journal videos in the past, I do them a little bit differently than how I do my regular journals, like daily journals. So there will be a travel journal playlist down below if you're interested in seeing how I do it. But basically, instead of doing a very specific theme for each day, I just choose a color theme for the trip overall, and then I decorate with miscellaneous items, little bits of ephemera that I've collected that I don't have a use for in my regular daily journals or in my reading journal or anything like that. It's kind of like a random collection of stickers and stuff that I just have in a specific color scheme, and I decorate it very haphazardly, but it's very fun. I always love to do it. It helps me use up a ton of stationery, and I'm just so excited for this journal. So let's get started with the journal itself, and then I will show you guys the supplies that I am bringing. This is a journal from Dollarama. I always love these types of journals because one, the elastic is like nice and strong, and then they always have the cutest covers. This one though did say notebook on the front in a very ugly font, I will say, even though I love like the paint pattern in the background, and so I just covered it up. On the front here we have a little Papershire vinyl sticker. I thought this vanilla with a suitcase, or not suitcase, backpack was perfect for a little travel journal. And if you can't tell from the cover, the theme I'm doing for this journal is blue, pink, and purple, which I thought this was really appropriate because for my first ever trip where I traveled with friends, I went to Montreal with a few high school friends for our high school graduation trip. And so because this is my university graduation trip and I'm going with the same friends, I decided I would throw it back and do the same color scheme for both journals. So my Montreal journal was also pink, blue, and purple, and so this one is as well. So like I said, this is a journal from Dollarama. I did do a little setup here. On the front, we have this postcard from Planning Roses that I got when I ordered my planners. It says, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Obviously, it's very pinky and purpley, and I thought this was perfect because this is our graduation trip, and so university was not easy. It was definitely a difficult road, but it led us to Japan and Korea, which I'm so excited for if I haven't said that enough. Okay, this is my little setup here. On the right, I use some printables from Pink Planner Shop. This is from the Soul Kit, which I thought was super appropriate. I'm probably gonna write Korea 2025 here because my plan is to make kind of like a little divider page when we hit Japan so I can use up some Japan stickers that I got from Papershire, which I'll probably have to do that cover page when I come home, and those stickers will be like in my mailbox by then. Anyway, the point is, I'm probably just gonna write Korea 2025 here. I haven't fully decided yet, which is why I haven't written it yet. And in that Papershire order, there's also a postcard that I think would match the spread really perfectly. So I'm planning on putting that here. I might have to wait until I'm home to put it in, but that's okay. But I really love the colors of this setup. It's very peaceful, and it matches the colors, of course, and it's just super cute and perfect for this trip. So here's my little setup here. On the left side of this page, we have the money spent on tickets and accommodation, more like technical stuff, I guess, that I want to track in here. Again, I'm probably gonna have to redo these spreads for Japan because I'm sure there will be lots of different expenses to record, but we'll see. Again, this journal is kind of like a go with the flow thing. If I have enough extra pages, which I probably should, to make these spreads again for Japan, I probably will. Because with food and souvenirs, I'm sure this list is gonna be super long, and I'll probably need more than just this one page to track it. But here I just use some paint samples and some paper scraps, as well as the same printables to continue with the theme for the setup. I also put a little bit of washi on the top and bottom to add more color, and I feel like that turned out super pretty. So, tickets and accommodation, I put the little other half of this palace scene in here because I thought that was perfect. And then for food, we have this little food picture here. Again, very appropriate. For souvenirs, I just have this kind of like overlay of a bunch of clothing and souvenir looking type stuff. It's kind of more of a suitcase, but that's okay. So I have the money that I will spend on souvenirs. And then here we have a packing list with a little picture of luggage, which is of course perfect. This is my packing list. Might have to update it, but yeah, that's that. Okay, and that is pretty much the setup I have for this journal so far. Really, there's nothing special for it right now. I'm so excited to see how this fills up though, because I just know it's gonna be so good. In the back here, I just stuck in a little envelope. I probably won't need it, but I stuck it in just in case. So that is a journal for now. Again, it's not a crazy setup, but so excited to fill this out. Now, what's more exciting is the things or the supplies that I will be bringing. So First things first, I always bring a book sleeve to house my journal because I never want it to get damaged or wet or anything. So this is a book sleeve from Love You More. I got this when I was really big into Bookstagram and stuff like that. And yeah, it's supposed to be for books, but it works super well for journals as well. And the pattern is really pretty. So that's where I will be putting my journal inside my backpack. And then next we have this little folder here. This is just a little folder that I got while I was in Japan last year from Daiso. And it's like perfect because I can put little ephemera pieces like pamphlets, tickets, whatever in here during the day in my tote bag so that it doesn't get crumpled or wrinkled or anything. And then at the end of the day, I'll empty it, put the stuff into my journal, put this back into my bag for the next day. Now, what I also have in here is a bunch of little square pieces of paper, and you might be wondering why, but in Japan, a big thing is collecting stamps. So when you go to like train stations, temples, even like different buildings and stuff, they'll have stamps that you can just stamp into like a book or something. And since I don't like carrying my journal around, what I did last year and what worked super well was I just carried around little squares of paper like this. I would stamp the paper and then I would cut it out when I got back home or back to the hotel for the night, and then I would stick it in my journal. For me, this is much more convenient than bringing around my journal, and I still get to collect the stamps. And it works really well for me. So that's definitely a hack that I recommend if you're going to be doing a journal in Japan. However, if you want to buy like the specific journals that you can use to collect stamps, that would also be super cute as well. But because I like to just do everything in one journal, this works perfectly for me. And this folder is nice and sturdy, which I love. Okay, moving on to my little pencil case here. This is actually a Shiseido makeup bag, but it's super cute. Inside, we have a bunch of stuff here. So let me just dump it all out. I'll move this to the side for now. Okay, so in here we have a bunch of different things. So let me sort it out a little bit. Okay, first things first, I have a fresh glue stick. My current glue stick is right here, but I think I'm almost done with it. So I didn't want to pack this because I was scared I would run out of glue. So we're going to start a brand new glue stick for the trip. And obviously, once I come home, I'll still find a way to use up both of them. So we have a brand new glue stick. And then we also have 3 gel pens just because I don't know how many of these I'm going to need for the trip. I feel like 3 is pretty safe for 3 weeks. So yeah, I have 3 of my favorite gel pens from Dollarama. They're just black gel pens. I have a pencil with a little bit of eraser left, just in case I need to mark anything down. When I want to leave space for photos, usually I'll write photos on the page just in pencil, and then I'll erase it once I come back home and I can print out my photos to put on the page. So this is what this is for. It just helps me keep track of how many pages I need to leave behind empty and continue with the next day. Like, you know, if I need 3 pages for photos, I'll write photos on it just so I remember to leave those pages blank, and I'll start the entry after those 3 pages. So that's what the pencil is for. And then I have just this little pair of scissors because these are safe to bring on the airplane. You can put these in your carry-on because like the blade is under a certain length. And so these are little travel scissors that I find are perfect for trips. Moving on, we have my Tombow Fudenosuke soft tip. I don't know if I'm going to need this, but I always bring it just in case because I love this little black brush pen. It's just super perfect and super convenient, super easy to use. And then we also have my little dates here. Normally I bring some markers and then write them for the date, but I realized that it would be more convenient if I just wrote out all the dates now and then just cut them out and stuck them in while I was there so that I didn't need to pack the markers. So I literally pre-wrote all of my dates here. And honestly, I probably should not paperclip them all together because it left a little dent here. But I pre-wrote out all my dates in obviously blue, pink, and purple markers. And so I will just use these to mark every single day in my travel journal. And I'm probably just gonna put these in an envelope instead of using this paperclip. Next, we have just this little vellum folder or envelope here. And what I have inside are little bits of clear sticker paper. And I just like to use this as tape. If I ever need to tape in anything into my journal, I'll just use a little bit of this so that I don't have to carry around a whole tape roll, which is a little bit bulkier. These are literally scraps from when I cut script stickers for myself, for my planner. Yeah, I just like to bring a few of them on the trip. I don't plan on taping too much stuff in. I'll probably just glue it all in. But if I ever want to create a flap or anything like that, this comes really handy. And they fit perfectly in this little envelope here. And then last but not least, we have a bunch of washi tape, if you can guess. So here we have different colors, obviously purple, pink, and blue. And I just have a variety of random washi tapes, specifically a lot of like smaller ones that I wouldn't use in my journal, my daily journal as regularly. I try to get them used up on trips like this. So as for bigger and thicker washi rolls, I have 3 washi tapes from the Coffee Monsters Co. here. We have the travel washi tape, which is running super, super low, but obviously this is perfect for the trip and it matches the colors. I have this self-care washi tape, which I thought was super cute as well. The purple, also running a bit low, matches the colors. Then I also have this Interstellar washi tape, super pretty, purple with silver foil, again, matches the colors of my theme. And then I also have this Eevee washi tape here that's pink and purple, and it has some gold foil, which again, matches the theme. As for thinner washi tapes, I have a few solid color ones that I got so long ago, and I've been trying to use these up since forever. So I just have some pinks and some purples of these solid color washi tapes, which I definitely don't mind using in my travel journals. They just help add a little bit of color to the page. I also have some washi tapes here from Eevee from their Galaxy collection. These ones here, again, as you can see, they are pink, purple, and blue, and super perfect for the trip. And then I also have just a bunch of other random thin washies that match the color scheme. So as you can see, we have a lot of pink, purple, blue washi tapes. Super cute. So hopefully I will get a lot of these used up on the trip because I use them so often when I'm using my travel journals or when I'm making my travel journals. They get used up pretty quickly, and that is always just so satisfying to me. I'm really trying to use up my washi tape collection so that I have an excuse to buy more. You know, I don't want to have too much and then like be overwhelmed with my choices. So I'm trying to use up what I have before I buy anything new, is what I'm trying to say. So in here is a bunch of the miscellaneous stickers and ephemera that I was talking about, and it is literally just a stack of the most miscellaneous collection of stickers and ephemera ever. So what we have here, I'll go through the big ticket items first, is I have a few Papershare sticker sheets that are related to Disney that honestly I've never really had a use for because I would prefer to definitely use these in Disney. And so I thought I might use them as cute little decorations for the day that I go to Disney Sea in Tokyo, which I'm so excited for. They are just the cutest little sheets that are no longer available in her shop. She originally did a grab bag with these because there was like a copyright thing going on, and so she couldn't put these in the shop anymore. And so I've been saving them for so long, but I'm so excited to finally use them on this trip. They are seriously the cutest. I will leave my referral link for Papershare down below if you're interested. And then we just have this sheet of little purple flower stickers that I have here. I actually got these in Japan last year from Daiso, and so I thought I would bring a sheet back and use them in my journal because they are perfect for the theme. Then I just have literally the most random stuff ever. We have some vellum pieces, some washi samples, washi stickers. I have some printables from Papershare that are also Disney themed that are of course going to be used on my Disney Sea spread day. Again, more washi stickers, this little post-it from the Coffee Monsters Co. We have some little sticker flakes here, some more printables from Papershare. I printed out a bunch of these little bow stickers in pink and purple because again, I thought they would be cute for my spreads. We have some little floral stickers here, more sticker flakes, sticker flakes, sticker flakes, sticker flakes. We have these little girl stickers. And then I also have this sheet of stickers that I got from a little convention a while ago that is very like Cherry Blossom Japan themed. And so I thought these would be perfect to bring because they're pink and they even have a little bit of purple as well. I did have to cut the sheet in half so that it would fit in my little envelope there. We also have more sticker flakes, this cutie little sticker flake here, more of those cute sticker flakes that are purple and pink heavy. We have these cute little bird stickers. I had a little box of these, and since they were purple and pink, I thought I would bring them on the trip. Honestly, there are a lot of supplies here, and I don't have to use them all up. I just like having a bunch of options. Then I have these cute little My Melody stickers that I got off of AliExpress. They are just so cute, and of course, pink and purple, so that is perfect. A few of them are Hello Kitty themed. From the same set, we also have some cinema roll stickers. I also have more of the Chicky little bird stickers here. More of these flower stickers, washi stickers, flower washi. This is helping me sort through all my supplies a little bit. More printable bows. These are just super cute, again, from Papershare. You can get these printables for free in her Facebook group. I have this random sticker flake that I thought was perfect for this trip. More girl stickers, sticker flakes, washi stickers, sticker flakes, more cinema roll, My Melody, Chick, washi stickers, bow printables, sticker flakes. These sticker flakes I also got in Japan last year. I have a leftover printable from the setup kit. A lot of little printables. But again, these are free from Papershare, so of course I have to use them. I just love that Facebook group so much. More of these Disney printables. My Melody. Another washi sample here of some old Coffee Monsters Co. washi tape. more girl stickers, florals, My Melody, florals, washi, regular sticker flake, another one of these cute ones, more sticker flakes. Again, I have collected clearly a lot of purple, pink, and blue ephemera for this trip, but again, having options is always nice, and I tend to fill up my journal quite a bit with decorations when I'm doing a travel journal, even if they don't all match. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this cute little vinyl that says I Love Washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. Honestly, I don't see myself putting this on the cover of a journal, so I figured I would just use it in this travel journal since it's mostly blue and purple. So those are all the stickers and little ephemera pieces that I will be bringing on this trip. And with that being said, that is everything for my travel journal kit for my 2025 Japan-Korea journal. I'm so excited. I will definitely update you guys, do a flip through, do a haul when I come back. And yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!